Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or help solve the problem of Luzia app. You will go to settings and you will click here. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Luzia app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and we turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us.